Cedar braised beans are a delicious and healthy choice. This recipe uses one of the three sisters combinations of beans, corn, and squash. Beans are high in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are naturally low in fat and play an important role in the prevention and management of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and high blood cholesterol. First, gather your ingredients. Always start by washing your hands. You'll need 1 cup of dried beans, 3 cups of cold water, 1 5 to 6 inch branch of cedar, salt, freshly ground juniper, as much as you like to your taste. If you don't have juniper, you can substitute ground rosemary. Put the beans in a large pot or bowl and cover with water by 3 inches. Allow the beans to soak for at least 6 hours or overnight. Drain the beans and transfer them to a medium saucepan or soup pot. Add 3 cups of cold water to the pot and lay the cedar over the beans. Set the pot over high heat and bring to a boil. Cover the pot and let simmer until the beans are very soft. Begin tasting the beans after about 25 minutes of simmering. Remove and discard the cedar. Drain and reserve the cooking liquid for soups and stews. Season to taste with salt, ground juniper, and serve the beans or store in a covered container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. You can also freeze them. Enjoy!